Hey guys, welcome to Textures Tutorial. In today's video we're gonna learn about how to see Spotify Wrap. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. So if you want to see your Spotify Wrap, what you'll need to do is you'll just need to install the Spotify app. Then right after, you'll just need to head onto the app itself. So once you've logged into that, you should be able to see it directly in here. So there is a wrap button in here which is colored onto the upper part. You'll just have to click onto that one and you should be able to see your wrap in there, your artist messages, live events, 2023 in podcast, top songs, and 2023 in music, and you could create a blend. And that's just basically it onto seeing Spotify Wrap into your Spotify. If you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.